Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the Marc Jacobs tote and give you a little comparison of the two. So stay tuned to see all about this super popular tote. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future content, and hit the like button for this video if you want to see more luxury content like it. Okay, you guys, I couldn't make up my mind between these two totes, so I just purchased both, and I will return one. I've kind of made up my mind which one I want to keep, but there is a twist to it at the end, so stay tuned to find out exactly which one I'm going to keep and why. So let's go ahead and talk about these two totes that we have here. One thing is the sizes come in multiple sizes. There's this size, which is the small, this size, which is the mini traveler tote, and then there's one that's even bigger than that small one, and I think that it would be extremely large. Now, I'm saying that, and I have the Neverfull GM and love it. That's part of why I didn't go for that bigger size, is because I've already got a bag that fulfills that extra large tote that I need. One thing about these is they're a little bit more structured than like your Neverfulls or any of your other totes by like Goyard or anything like that. So that is something to take note. So let's go ahead and talk about the mini traveler tote first. So I purchased these on Amazon. This one was $150. It's called the Mini Traveler Tote Bag in black, and it actually weighs 1.3 pounds on its own. So I'm looking over at some notes over here, so bear with me. On its own, it weighs 1.3 pounds. The fabric is canvas. It has the logo print here, and then has a patch on the back that says Marc Jacobs, the Marc Jacobs style tote bag, location New York City, year 1984. So I don't know if this is like a throwback to what they had made in the past, I don't know, but the length of the mini traveler tote is 10 inches and the height is about 8 inches tall. So I just want to throw that in there because I think that Amazon has the wrong dimensions put in for the mini, and it has a zip closure here at the top. So this is really nice to me, because it does make it feel a little bit more secure on the top there. So if you're going to, travel around with this, it's a great option there. It does have a strap here that is like a lobster claw strap. It is removable and it is adjustable, and it is a nice wide strap. So you guys know I love to change out my straps. I think that I would actually use this strap because it's so wide. I might even use it on other purses because it's such a nice strap. So that is the mini bag. I will link it down below for you so that you guys can go find it on Amazon pretty easily. It comes in a multitude of other colors as well. It also comes in leather, and on Amazon the mini came in at the $375 price point for the leather version of this. All right. So this is the Marc Jacobs Women's Small Traveler Tote. It comes in at $175 on Amazon. Also comes in multiple other colors that you can find on Amazon. Also on the Marc Jacobs website, you can find them in a multitude of colors. This is a great, this to me is a great option because my computer actually fits in it. So if I were going to use this as more of like a work bag, taking things to and from work, this is the bag that I would choose. I forgot to mention on that last one too, but it also has this like spot right here for, I don't know if that's like for a water bottle or what. Can you see that? That could sit in there right here. Not really sure what that's for. If you guys have any suggestions as to what that's for or what that could be used for, leave them in the comments down below. So this one comes in at 1.83 pounds. So actually it's like 0.5, like half a pound heavier right about than the mini. It does feel a little heavier just because I'm holding it up and I am not in shape. So this is 1.83 pounds. Again, the fabric is canvas. It's got the logo print. It's got the patchwork back here. Says the exact same things. Small traveler tote. Let me measure it because I don't trust what Amazon has to say. Yeah. So the length here on the traveler tote, the small traveler tote, is 13 inches by about 10.5 inches tall. So Amazon has the wrong dimensions there. Maybe there's a way that I can let them know that. But this comes with also a strap. It still has a styrofoam on it because I'm still deciding exactly which one I want to keep. But this one, like I said, does fit my, it does fit my computer in it just fine. So you can see that like, it does make it heavy, obviously, because it's a computer, but it does fit it like perfectly. And I have the, let me see. I have the MacBook Pro, and it is the, I don't know, 13, 14-inch screen. I can't ever remember that. This one also has a zip closure to it. It's a good zipper. So again, it feels a little bit more secure if you're gonna carry it as like a work bag or around town bag, whatever. If you have the issue of like stopping quickly in your car and it spills everything out, well, this might be the purse for you. Also wanted to show you real quick that the small is large enough that you can actually fit the mini inside of it without these darn straps, but the mini actually fits inside of the small. A couple other features here is it does have this like flat pocket here, and it has slide pockets here and a zippered pocket right here on the back of it. And then I think it's really nice because even on like the piping on the inside or the stitching on the inside, it says Marc Jacobs, the Marc Jacobs. I just think like the attention to detail in these purses is so amazing. And then also in the mini, there are no pockets on the inside, so that's something to make note of as well, that if you're wanting some interior pockets, you've got to go up from the mini to the small. Just to mention again, one more time, the mini is $150 and the small is $175 on Amazon. I will link them both down below. I will also link the larger size if I can find it, just so that you have that as an option as well. So, drumroll please, if I were gonna pick one over the other, I would actually choose this large, well, technically it's called the small. And the reason being is I may be taking my computer back and forth to and from work with me. And I think that this being a little bit more heavy duty material than like the Neverfull canvas, and also with it being a little more structured, I think that my computer will set nicely in there. And it'll feel more protected than it would necessarily in my Neverfull GM. Now my Neverfull GM is still a ride or die for me, so please don't hear me say that. It's not, but here's the twist to this. I got both of these in the mail and I think they're both really awesome. I really was hoping to keep the mini, but I just don't think it's gonna work for what I'm needing it for, and I specifically got this bag to carry a computer, so it's obviously gonna be the small size. However, since then, I have also now purchased through Amazon the small size in the olive green color. I'll put a picture here. And part of the reason being is that I saw a lot of reviews on the black and it said that it picks up lint a ton. I obviously haven't used these because I purchased them from Amazon, and if I'm going to return them, I don't want to be a person that uses them and then returns them. I just don't think that's right. So I went ahead and ordered the olive green because I don't have any like green bags in my collection as far as I can recall, and I think that I'm really drawn to that olive military green color right now. So I'm going to wait. I'll probably go ahead and return the mini and get the olive green one in the mail in just a couple days. It's coming, and see which color I really like. I've seen a couple people post, like, I think they call it khaki, but it looks really green. So I will insert a picture of what it actually looks like in person so that you can get a good feel for that. I'll also try to insert some mod shots of me wearing these, just trying these on for you guys so that you get a feel for the actual size. I'm 5'3" for reference. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to not pay attention to the dimensions that Amazon has on their website. Those are not correct. But I did order, like I said, the mini and the small, and they are the two different sizes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this small, like, unboxing / review. If you're going between these sizes, I hope it helps you make a decision. Like I said, I'll insert some mod shots and whatnot here, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you, one is fulfills. First off, they do have this like, it is removable. It is I will probably go ahead and return the extra small, the mini, sorry, traveler tote. So the length of this one is 12.25 inches. That can't be right. So the length, I have to go back and fix this.